Welcome to Edtube. Get the latest sports updates and global news right here. Subscribe, like, share, and comment to stay connected with all things sports. Letsail Tobogo from Botswana, who secured a gold medal in the men's 200-meter event at the Paris 2024 Olympics. China's Zheng Qinwen defeating Croatia's Donna Vekic in the women's singles tennis final. Festival Eritrea 2024, 50th anniversary of the Bologna Festival, officially opened with celebration. Algerian boxer Imane Khalif wins the gold medal in women's boxing at the Paris Olympics 2024, overcoming baseless allegations and a disinformation campaign. The Eritrean athlete Samson Amare placed 10th with a time of 2 hours 8 minutes and 56 seconds, securing a spot in the top 10. Experienced the vibrant culture, traditions, and spirit of the Eritrean community through a visual journey at the Eritrean Festival 2024.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to Edtube, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring you more content. See you in the next video.